So hi guys and welcome to another video. Today I'm in this beautiful outdoor space because it's winter time and it's the perfect time to enjoy the winter sun and the outdoors. So today I'm going to be sitting with Shalaka and we're going to be talking about balcony decor, and we're going to discuss a few tips about decorating your balcony, and I'm going to show you a beautiful, stunning balcony. Hopefully you will get some really good ideas from this balcony, and we're also going to have Shalaka share some tips and tricks on how you can use your balcony space to have some very memorable and fun gatherings with family and friends. Okay, so this is a gorgeous balcony. I can spend hours over here. Shalaka, why don't you share some tips? To start off with, let me just say that from what I see over here, I think using color in a balcony is a very good idea. So I see a nice bright red in this balcony with a pop of, that green beautiful door and plants, of course. So if you like color and if you're hesitant to use color inside your house, then balcony is a good place to, try out colors. Right? Let's talk about the furniture in a balcony.
Yeah, so you have a lot of options here. Since this is a covered area, so it's good. It's safe for birds. So, but if you don't have the option of a closed, balcony, then you have cast iron, you have iron furniture, you have the wicker furniture. So
green looks beautiful in a balcony, but what I've seen here is that instead of using your very regular, planters, the plastic or the mud ones that you get, you can use more interesting stuff like it has been used over here, those old leaves and things, and then on top they've put the planters, or around it they've put planters, but occasionally break up the very rugged,
like this one.
Yeah, such
it's an old vessel, so and you can just
it just looks beautiful. Yeah. So yeah, think beyond the regular planters for planters. I think even those burnies look very pretty.
Yeah.
So, and then of course the walls of the balcony also don't need to be bare. You can add some, interesting art or mirrors or lots of things that can be added.
Again over here, there's a lot of wood that's added because again it's covered. But then you have such beautiful metal accessories for the gardens, even fiber these days. You have these. Also, people are because depending on the space that you have, people are doing vertical gardening. So there's so many options that you can play around with and make use of your balcony for
it's
much more than what it just
hanging clothes. Much more than drying clothes.
Even if it is as tiny as it's for two, you have so many options that you can. And then living in cities, it becomes so either you're at office, travel time, and then back home. So maybe you could just bring in that little bit of element of
oasis for yourself in your house.
Yourself, your family, friends.
So I'm sure you guys use this balcony a lot too.
Yeah, I do.
Hang out.
Yeah, I do. I do it a lot.
So let's see how you set it up for a lunch or a small cozy
let's say
tea lunch.
Let's a table for two.
Table for two, let's do that.
Yeah.
So here we are, starting with a beautiful blank white canvas, which is our white table in the balcony, and we're going to start with adding a table runner, and Shalaka picked a beautiful green with a little hint of blue table runner which complements the green in the balcony. And then we're adding a few little details which Shalaka has picked out and color coordinated, so everything is very color coordinated and it looks very nice all together, the blues and greens and a little bit of metal tones. Here again she's used a pot which is an old vessel, and that has been used as a pot on the table, which looks really cool, much better than a normal planter. And I am very awkwardly trying to figure out how all the cutlery is supposed to be placed, and Shalaka is going to help me and do that. And this is our table for two, almost ready, and the cute little water dispenser which had warm water with lemon in it, and I had so much fun sipping on this all through our lunch and the fun conversations that we had.
So this table for two setting was really cute, and I am so glad I'm matching with everything, the decor. I came well prepared. But Shalaka, if you don't have beautiful furniture and a dining table and a whole set of chairs in your balcony,
Oh, there are lots of options. There are always options.
so are you going to show us another option?
Yes, of course.
Let's
Why
go.
not?
Let's go and see another option.
Yeah.
So the second option literally needs no furniture and it leads to a very bohemian look. We started with bricks. We placed a couple of bricks over each other and put any flat surface over it. Shalaka, of course, is using a surface from Sanskriti Lifestyle, which is beautiful, carved and vintage, but any flat surface would do on top of bricks, and there you have a nice little table for yourself which you can use as an outdoor table. We've added a little pop of color by way of the flowers, tea light holders. Next, we add some beautiful rugs with so much color and texture, and these add to that bohemian look, and they're so amazing to lounge around on. They totally remind me of my childhood and the picnics that we used to have by the river in Udhampur, so they were so much fun. Then we're going to add some cushions with mirror work and embroidery, which also add to that bohemian look. And we're almost done. Of course, keep some throws and blankets handy for the cold, and we're all set to enjoy our winter afternoon brunch.
So thank you so much, Shalaka, for inviting us into this beautiful balcony and this space and setting up two setups for us. I hope everyone enjoyed the video as much as I did, and if you did enjoy, please give us a thumbs up, please subscribe, and please keep coming back for more. And if you liked what you saw, and if you would like to consult Shalaka about your space or purchase the things that you saw, then Sanskriti Lifestyle is where you head to, and that is in Koregaon Park, Pune. All the details will be in the description box below, so make sure you check them out. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you very soon.